in continuation to the previous session, let's start our few more examples so that you would be familiar of writing the names of the salts as well as writing the formulas for the given name of the salt. So let us take a lead nitrate. Lead nitrate. So the two ions present in lead nitrate you have to recognize first is lead. So whatever written on the left, that is cation. Nitrate, this is anion, this is cation. So from our previous knowledge, the symbol of cation, that is lead, is Pb2 plus. Of course, you may get the doubt, Pb4 plus is also there. Why you are not writing Pb4 plus? The reason behind is Pb2 plus is the most common existing form of the lead, where you are going to face too many examples. So for our 10th class is not going to complicate our sessions. So just a Pb2 plus anion nitrate, polyatomic anion, NO3, 1 minus charge. So how to write the name now? The art of writing the name depends on writing the valence on the respective cations and anions. Valence means the power without magnitude, means without sign, without sign. NO3 minus. So 2 plus, write the 2 here at the bottom of Pb2 plus, minus 1, write 1 at the bottom of NO3 minus. Now start doing cross multiplication. Then what you would get is Pb 1 time multiplied, and whenever you are multiplying polyatomic anions, what is polyatomic anions? NO3 minus. If more than one element is present in the anion, means if more than atoms of, means if more atoms are present in the anion, then you have to place that polyatomic anion in parenthesis. It may be cation, it may be anion. So polyatomic ions are placed in parenthesis when you are multiplying with number more than 1. So if you are multiplying with 2, if you are multiplying with 3, if you are multiplying with 4, you have to keep that polyatomic ions in brackets. So NO3, how many times you have to multiply? 2. So that implies the symbol, that is formula of lead nitrate, is PbNO3 taken 2 times, that is PbNO3 twice. Let's move on to the other example. Sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate. So this is ionic compound. In this ionic compound, sodium is cation. The symbol of sodium is Na. The symbol of, so that is a sulfate, is anion, and the symbol of sulfate is SO4 2 minus. So when you are writing, so whenever sodium is combining with any element in the periodic table, it is going to exist as Na plus. So sodium plus sulfate, SO4 2 minus. So what is the magnitude of charge? 1. Write the charge without sign at the bottom of the sodium symbol. SO4 2 minus, that is 2, and do cross multiplication. That implies you are going to get sodium multiplied 2 times SO4 2, that is SO4. So here only one is there, no need to keep a SO4 taken bracket. This can be written as Na2SO4. So the formula of sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. Let's move on to the next slide. Some more examples. Aluminium sulfate. What is the formula of aluminum sulfate? So first should know the symbol of aluminium is Al. The symbol of sulfate is SO4 2 minus. So this is cation, this is anion. Whenever aluminium is combining with any other compound in the periodic table, any other element in the periodic table, aluminium always exists as Al3 plus. Sulfate SO4 2 minus. Write the magnitude of charge beneath the ions. 3 here and 2 with anion. Do cross multiplication like this, then you will get Al2 SO4 taken 2 times. So since sulfate anion is a polyatomic anion, I placed that polyatomic anion in the brackets. Okay, the formula of aluminum sulfate is Al 2 times SO4 3 times. Okay, SO4 3 times. Aluminum sulfate. What else we will practice? Let's take a barium chloride. Let's take a barium chloride. Barium chloride. So immediately whenever you are reading the name 2 or more times, you should recognize the anion and cation present in that salt. Again start. Barium chloride. So mistake is gone. Barium chloride. So first recognize the cation. Barium is cation, chloride is anion. The symbol of barium, whenever it is combining with any element in the periodic table, it is going to exist as Ba2 plus, always acts as cation, and chlorine is going to exist in the form of Cl minus. So if you write the formula of barium chloride, barium, same procedure, there is no other procedure available for us. Cl minus 2 times, it is 1 time, that is charge is 1, charge is 2 without any sign, that is magnitude we are writing. So multiply here. So barium is multiplied with 1, chlorine is multiplied with 2. So the formula of barium chloride is BaCl2. Okay guys, now can you try? Let's solve some questions. Some questions means I will give the work. Write the formulae for the given names. Given names of the salts. 1. Barium sulfate. Then barium sulfate, potassium bromide, potassium bromide, silver nitrate, then silver chloride. Next, what you can take? Ferrous sulfate, then sixth one copper sulfate, then seventh one ferric chloride, ferric chloride, eighth one ferric sulfate, then ninth one sodium acetate, then 10th one lead acetate, then 11th one what you can take? Sodium phosphate, then 12th one sodium carbonate, so we'll continue, so many names. Then 13th one calcium carbonate, then 14th one calcium bicarbonate, then sodium bicarbonate, then 16th one calcium sulfate, calcium sulfate, 17th one calcium hydroxide, 18th one magnesium hydroxide, then 19th one calcium oxide, then 20 what we write? Milk of magnesium, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Okay, try all these names at your home, and what you have to do is take this valence chart, and on daily basis take at least 6 cations, 6 anions. So when you take 6 cations and 6 cations daily, you can get so many salts. 6 into 6, that is 6 power 6 type of salts you can get. So construct whatever salt you want to write. Suppose you are taking hydrogen cation and a hydrogen anion, that's not possible, leave it. So lithium cation you are taking, it can combine with H minus, F minus, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So you can write lithium fluoride, lithium chloride, lithium bromide, lithium iodide. Like a sodium you are taking, sodium hydride, sodium fluoride, sodium chloride, sodium bromide. So 6 into 6, you can get a minimum 36 salt names. So by heart, there's a valence chart on the daily basis. 6 cation, 6 anions per day. So it is approximately it is going to take 1 week. So daily, only half an hour it is going to take. Don't take all the day to read the chemistry, so that you can construct so many salt names. So you can have some fundamentals in your mind, so that whenever and come to the chemistry laboratory, you can directly recognize the salts and their structures, their names. Okay, you are going to feel easy when you are writing the reactions also. Okay guys, all the best and take care.